I'm JQ, an e-commerce manager with Wordfirst. Wordfirst is an international payment solution provider helping online sellers and SMEs move money around the world. Today, I'll take you through 3 questions we often get asked starting on 1688.com. 1688.com is part of Alibaba's group and is China's largest B2B marketplace, suitable for everyone from e-commerce startups to established businesses. So, how do you sign up on 1688.com? If you already have an account for Taobao, you can use the same login details because both companies are a part of Alibaba Group. Otherwise, you can sign up via the Taobao mobile app or via the 1688.com website. Do remember to sign up as an individual, not a company, even if you are registering on behalf of your company. Then, to verify your identity, you will need to link your Alipay account with your 1688.com account on the website. How do you communicate with the suppliers? Suppliers will list their details on their shop page. Most of them will provide details for Ali Wang Wang, which is the official chat channel for 1688.com, as well as WeChat. Most suppliers don't speak English, so you may need a translation tool such as Google Translate to communicate. We recommend keeping communication simple, clear, professional to make doing business easier. How to pay suppliers? There are a few ways to pay suppliers on 1688.com. First is via a bank transfer directly into the supplier's bank account. However, you can pay in RMB and bank charge a very high exchange rate and fees. Second is via Alipay. However, for this you will need a Chinese bank account to verify your identity in order to make payments. Third is via the official KJB solution offered by 1688 and Alipay, also known as Kwa Jingbao. This solution allows foreign companies to pay suppliers on the platform through your Alipay business account. How it works is, it allows users to convert their fund balances in Wordfirst to CNY. This will be sent directly into your Alipay business account. You can fund your Wordfirst account from your own bank account or use the sales proceeds that you receive from marketplaces. When you make a payment to your 1688.com suppliers, you select the KJB solution, you will then draw on the funds in your Alipay business account. The benefit of the KJB solution is this is an official way for international buyers to pay into 1688, and it is fully compliant. There are no account limits and also no annual limits on the payment size that you can do. It is fast. The transfer is almost instant when you pay from Wordfirst into Alipay business. And of course, the cost is low. We take an FX margin when you do a conversion, so essentially it will just be an exchange rate. If you'd like to find out more information on how to source from 1688.com, you can download our ultimate guide, which can be found on www.wordfirst.com. Go under Solutions and you'll see a 1688 Supplier Payments tab. Wordfirst is an international payment solution provider helping online sellers and SMEs move money around the world.